How to print from Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you click on Pinterest. Once you open the app, for example you liked a certain picture and you want to print it, you have to click on the three dots here and you can download the image and then print it, or you can click on, if you don't want to do all that hassle of downloading it and then going to your photos and then printing it, the second thing you can do is click on the share icon and then scroll left and then click on this more option. And if your phone is already connected to your printer previously, here an option will show of printing it to your your printers option will show here, and once you click on that it will share it to your printer, and that's how you can print a image. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.